In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in Wrike. Grouping tasks is a simple but powerful way to make your workspace clearer and easier to manage, especially when you're dealing with a long list of tasks. By grouping, you can quickly organize what you see on the screen without actually changing the underlying structure of your project. Let's start from the main view where you see your tasks in Wrike. Make sure you're in a view that supports grouping, such as the list view, table view, or another task-based view. Once you're there, look toward the top of the task list area. You should see options that let you customize how your tasks are displayed. Among these, find the control labeled Group. Go ahead and click on Group above your task list. When you click this, Wrike will open a drop-down menu with several grouping options. These typically include things like grouping by status, assignee, folder or project, due date or other available fields, depending on how your workspace is set up. Choose the grouping option that best fits what you want to focus on right now. For example, if you select to group by status, Wrike will rearrange your task list so that tasks are organized under headings like New, In Progress, and Completed. If you choose to group by assignee, tasks will be organized under each person's name, so you can quickly see who is responsible for what. As soon as you select an option, the view will update automatically. You don't need to save anything. Wrike just applies that grouping on the fly. This only affects how the tasks are displayed for you in that particular view and does not move or change tasks in the actual project structure. If you ever feel like the list looks crowded or confusing, you can collapse or expand individual groups to focus only on what matters at that moment. This is especially helpful in large projects where you might have many tasks across different people or stages. If you want to change how things are grouped, just click on Group again and select a different option. You can also return to an ungrouped list by choosing the option that removes grouping if it's available in your version of Wrike. And that's all there is to it. By simply clicking on Group above your task list and choosing how you want to organize your tasks, you can make Wrike much easier to navigate and keep your work clearly organized.